Before I started to make traveling videos, I often give up on an idea before even trying to execute it. I didn't know how to make videos, so I told myself that I should wait until I have enough skills. It took time for me to realize that no matter when I start, it will never be perfect. So all I can do is learn how to start. I have to make things step by step before being able to make a video that meets my expectations. I will try to learn wakeboarding for the first time here in Sanur. I am not gonna wait until I know everything about wakeboarding. I have studied enough about it, so now it's time to give a try. Let's go. My aim was to go smoothly for the first time, since I have done some research and have gotten help from Coach Luis. However, when I tried, it was far from perfect. I fell. But it's okay, because now I have something I can try to fix. I have to do it over and over again until it works.
I'm going now.
I have to be willing to be a fool when learning something new. If not, I won't ever learn and improve. So, I'm willing to be a fool. You can laugh at me if I fall. I'm fine with that because all I want is to transform myself, and it doesn't matter if I am a beginner or advanced. What matters is that I keep moving forward. I was also thinking about whether wakeboarding is a bad idea. I know that it has its risk, but I also know that I will regret it for the rest of my life if I never try. This is something that I am interested in, and that means a lot to me. I will make mistakes anyway, but the question is what kind of mistakes? Is it a mistake that I make while I'm doing meaningful things to develop myself? Or is it a mistake that I never did anything new for the rest of my life?